Okay, good afternoon, John. It's afternoon here, so while I'm shooting this video, um, in the series of how to showing you how to build your website, which is what I have named this domain, how to build a website. I'm going to show you how to make a post, and later on, I'm going to show you how to create menus and as well how to install plugins and then make a sales page or a landing page, what's called a landing page. So quickly I'm going to show you. On this left side you see what we call posts here, and as you can see the sub menus, we have all posts, add new, categories and tags. You can create categories for posts. Categories are a way to arrange your posts in such a way that you can have them automatically arranged for you. And also tags, they both do the same thing. So you can tag a post as say um, email, other one say sales, so that you have those posts that are tagged as sales go on the sales, and those that are tagged as email go on the emails and categories as well. So I'm going to show you how to create a new post. Now what you need to do is go to post, add new. So you click on add new, and it's going to load up the page where you'll be able to create a new post. As you can see here, we have add new. Here is where you enter the title. As you can see there, see enter title here. So the title of your post here, this is a sample post. So that's what I'm gonna name there. This is a sample post, and here you can add the content of your post. Here is where you add the content of your post. As you can see, immediately I created this post, a link is generated. This link 2018 7 is not so good for SEO purposes, so I'm gonna quickly change it so that we can have a good clean link that will be good for SEO purposes. So I'm not going to save this, I'm not going to publish it here. I'm just going to go to, you come to settings, and you see permalinks. I want to change this. No, leave. Yes, I don't want to save. So I'm going to permalinks. This is presently what we are having. You see 2018 720 is gonna be in that format. You see year, month, days, and then the post name. So I don't want something like that. I want a custom structure. I just want a post name where you just show the name of the domain and then the post name. That's how to change your permalinks so that you have a clean link that will be good for SEO purposes. So we're then going to go back to our post now and create a new post. Okay, so I'm going to say again, this is a sample post. This is a sample post. The post goes here, the content goes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab, okay, see the permalink now. See, this is a sample post. This is a more clean link that will be easier to remember, and that's what Google wants. So I'm gonna put some sample content here. I'm gonna get that from, so I'm just gonna put I'm saying this is my first post to show you how 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 to make a post. This is very very easy to do. So some of the things we like to do in post is to insert images. How do we insert them? That's what we have here, add media. Or you can come here, okay, we don't have the option here, so you come here, add media. That's where you can add you can add. So if you don't have any image on your WordPress here, you just click here to upload the image. If you have, you can just go ahead and pick one from here, or you can create from a link, import from URL. Maybe the image is resting on some URL, and pick up um the and get the image URL and just put it there. So I'm gonna use this image. I'll select this image. Okay, this image is fairly big. Okay, I'm gonna use this, insert into post. As you can see, it's been inserted. You can edit the post. You can either centralize it, either left align it, or whatever you want to do. Pretty much whatever you want to do. I want to central align it, and I want to edit it further. You can see edit here. I want it to be centered. I don't want the medium. I want it to be large. I want it to be full sized. No, I want it to be large. And then I'm gonna click on. You can enter a caption if you want to enter a caption. People at work. You're gonna see how that works. And for SEO purposes, in case you're one of your users are not having a good internet, you can put an alternative text to let them know what the image is about. That's what alternative text means. People at work. Creating posts. So update, and then we're gonna have this. So that's the image. You can do pretty much whatever you want with your content, just as your Microsoft Word. You can bold in, italize some, centralize if you like, pretty much anything you want to do. You can either make stress on this, give it a text background color, text color. You can make this that way. You can add a line. You can add a line, an horizontal line, just like that. You can do whatever you want to do. So this is a post that we are creating. I want to add some more content, so I'm going to go to Lorem Ipsum to get some content. Lorem Ipsum. So go to Lorem Ipsum. Okay, lipsum.com to get demo content. So I'm gonna get demo content from here. I'm just gonna take up all this content. Okay, I'm gonna take this content. Okay, I'm gonna add that there. So that's the content. So we have a full-blown content. So the next thing you want to do is select what categories you want it to be. I want it to be in a blog, and I want it to be in the featured section, and then you want to hit publish. So that's how to publish a post. We're gonna view the post and see what we have just published and see how it looks on our site, how to build a website. So I'm gonna come here, view website, or here view post. Yes, post published. Now view post. So I'm gonna view that post on a new tab. Loading. Look at the link, how to build a website.tk slash this is a sample post. Easy to remember. So this is the sample post, that's the title of the post, and based on the setting on this, on my theme, I have my content to be on the right side while these links float on the left side. So that is, look at the post. So this is a simple way, this is just a way um to publish a post to your website. Pretty simple, you will agree with me, John. So that's gonna be it for this video. See you on the next video.